Hi to everyone. In this lecture, I am just going to discuss about what is mean by spanning tree. A spanning tree is a subset of a graph G which has all vertices covered with minimum possible number of edges. It has no cycles or loops and it will be a connected graph. Can we say all the subset of a graph as a spanning tree means? No. Then what are all the conditions to be satisfied? It should cover all the vertices with minimum possible number of edges, and then it has no cycles or loops, and it must be a connected one. Let's see an example for this one. So I'm just taking one graph with the three vertices A, B and C. This is a connected graph. What is meant by connected graph? From any point we can reach any other point means then it is called as a connected graph. We can name this graph as G1. And I am naming this edges E1, E2 and E3. So I can define V of G1 is equal to A comma B comma C. So these are all the vertices. How many vertices here? 3. And edge list E of G1 is equal to E1, E2 and E3. How many edges are here? 3 edges. Now I am just going to draw the subset of this graph. So what's the condition to be satisfied? All vertices with minimum possible number of edges. So I am drawing one subset. So here I am having C. I am drawing the vertices E1 and E3. When comparing to the original graph and the subset is having only 2 edges, whereas the original graph is having 3 edges. But still the subset is a connected graph because from this vertices we can reach B as well as we can reach C also. Okay, so and it has no cycles or loops. It covered all the vertices with minimum number of edges, so we can say this is a spanning tree. And another way I can draw the spanning tree in another method like this one. So I am including the edge E2 and E3. Here also I am not at all having loops or cycles, and I have covered all the vertices with the edges E2 and E3 only. I haven't used E1 because by using E2 and E3 itself I can reach all the vertices. So it's enough. Okay. So this is also one of the spanning tree. And next one is A, B and C. In what way I can draw? I can include the edges E1 and E2. So you just see here, it's in the subset also we can say this is a connected graph. And next one thing, it has no cycles or loops. It covers all the vertices as in the original graph with a minimum possible number of edges. Okay. Can I able to draw one more spanning tree from this graph means? I couldn't. Even if I am trying to draw any other subset for this graph means, it will not satisfy the conditions of the spanning tree, or else it will be a duplicated spanning tree only. So what can we conclude it here is, a complete undirected graph can have maximum of n to the power of n minus 2 number of spanning trees. Then what about n? N is nothing but the number of vertices. Number of vertices. You just see here, what's the number of vertices here? It's 3. So n is equal to 3 means you just substitute this value in this formula. So it means you will get 3 to the power of 3 minus 2. You will get 3 to the power of 1, which is equal to 3. It means for this graph, a graph with 3 vertices will yield 3 spanning trees. That's the maximum number of spanning trees. Okay. So this is about the spanning tree. And one more thing, if I am trying to remove any one of the edge from the spanning tree means, then that graph will be converted into the disconnected graph. For example, here I have removed this edge from this subset. So after removing this edge from the vertex A, I can reach C, but I couldn't reach B. So what it happens here is, we can say we couldn't reach all the vertices in this graph if we are removing any one of the edge from the spanning tree, because this is a subset of a graph which covers all the vertices with minimum possible number of edges. Minimum possible number of edges means, if we are removing any one of the edge from that subset, then that subset graph which will be converted into a disconnected graph. Okay. So I hope that you got a clear idea about the spanning tree. Once again I am saying, a spanning tree is a subset of a graph G which has all vertices covered with minimum possible number of edges. It has no cycles or loops and it will be a connected graph. A complete undirected graph can have maximum n to the power of n minus 2 number of spanning trees, where n is the number of nodes. And then if we are trying to remove any one of edge from the spanning tree, will make the graph as a disconnected one. Okay. So in case if you are having any doubts, kindly post your queries in the comment section. Thank you.